Yeah, I'm here. Yeah,
How's it going?
yeah, good,
Yeah,
good.
I'm here too.
Okay.
I don't know if you see me.
Yeah,
But yeah, that's
yeah.
the boat.
Okay.
Here's the boat. If you see that line, that blue line where the bike is, so
Uh-huh.
everything that's above the blue line was painted. That's the
Oh.
new boat paint
Oh, okay.
above it.
Okay.
Everything that's below the blue line is the original paint from the former
Oh,
owner.
oh, okay. And you're the second owner, or you're the how how
I don't know which number it is because the boat is 1968.
1968? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm pretty sure there's been a lot of owners. A
Okay.
lot.
How long you own it?
I'm sorry.
How long have you owned it? How long?
Three and a half years.
Oh, okay, okay. So let me see.
Yep.
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, I walk around. Okay, before it get dark. Yeah. Right. So I climb on over like this way.
Oh, no, no, no.
Okay,
Stop, stop,
different
stop.
one. Okay, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
There's a
you need to
staircase.
stay
Oh, okay.
here
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
and here.
Okay.
There's a staircase.
Oh, okay.
Be
Great.
careful of
Okay.
that.
Yeah. Nice.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I like it. Nice.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So far, so good. Hey, I like that. How the wrapper like that. Okay.
You guys want to
Yeah.
go up?
Yeah. Yeah. So how much do you want for this again? I forgot. What's the price?
I'm asking 45.
45.
I'm asking 45,000.
45,000. Okay.
Yeah, it's a 47-foot boat.
Okay.
Pretty much 1,000 foot.
Oh, okay. So I have. This is the top level. Okay. Yeah.
So these are the sheets. I'm gonna take them with me. It's just I work with wood and stuff. These
Oh,
are
okay.
just mine. I'm storing them there.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
don't worry about those. Yeah, I'm taking them with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like this have.
The boat is in great condition. Decking is good.
Yeah.
No soft spots, no nothing. Everything is fine. You can try to kick it.
So you know how far have you gone with this boat? Where have you sailed to?
I'm sorry.
Where have you gone with this boat? How far?
I've never taken it out.
Oh, okay.
This boat has been always in the slip.
Oh, okay.
Because
You can go
I used it as a
inside.
kayak.
Okay.
And I never wanted to risk it because
Oh, okay.
things happen in the ocean. It's an old boat.
Oh, okay. Okay. You haven't taken it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is-
Там еще вот это светильник. No, okay.
Okay. This is the bedroom. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And this bathroom.
Okay. Thank you. So you've been staying here, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Да, мы включим этим мотор.
Yeah, yeah, it's very
Oh,
good
you
condition.
Can turn it if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can do
Давай,
that.
включай,
I can do
включай.
it.
Okay.
Включай.
Oh, okay. It runs.
И правый тоже включай.
It was left
Yeah.
and this right.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds good. So you never take it out or anything, huh?
Can I off this because it's
Okay.
too loud?
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Very well maintained. Over. Neat.
Okay.
And then, so this is another bedroom. Or? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Включи свет.
let me.
Okay.
Наверху.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. И там тоже свет включи.
okay. So the engine room, I guess. You know where the engine
Да.
down below.
Открой дверь. Откроешь?
Oh, okay, good.
Открой вот это.
Which one?
Engine room.
This?
Oh, then
Oh.
down there. Oh, this is how you go down there. Yeah. Oh,
Thank you.
yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you. We'll check it.
Он меня слышит или нет? Я не понимаю, что
Да.
происходит. Дарина?
Да.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Я не понимаю.
Да, говорю.
Okay, that's what it is. Okay.
Okay.
No, говори.
So basically,
Yeah.
basically the boat also has two generators.
Oh.
They're also working. We can start them and show you. The generators both working.
Yeah.
With the power and everything. The boat also has two stabilizers that if you take it out to the ocean and if it's choppy a little bit, it stabilizes the boat.
Oh, okay.
Which is a different feature on this boat.
Oh, okay.
If you
Yeah.
want to see the generators running, we can also turn them on.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. Yeah. So,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Let me.
So basically, I'm selling the boat as is.
Ага.
All the systems working. The shower. Дарин, покажи этот. Открой кран там на кухне.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just trying to show you the water.
Ah.
The water is also running here and everything goes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. Water running.
I also replaced all the systems below, meaning that the plumbing, all the piping was replaced. I also installed the sanitation lines, which is basically the sewage. The sewage is brand new Italian butyl lines, which were very expensive and barely installed them about 1.5 years ago.
Oh, okay.
The waste tank also just installed. So basically, the way it works. When you use the toilet, it all goes to the waste tank, which is in the engine room. And then you order, if you're in the slip, you order the service that comes and they pump all of that waste out from the outside. At the outside, there's outlets, so they basically plug a hose there, and using a pump, they basically pump everything out.
Oh, okay.
And it costs about $35, like $40.
Oh, okay. How often you pump it out?
Yeah. Then regarding the slip, this is the cheapest slip in the marina in this category. So it's a 50-foot slip, and this is the cheapest. So just the next slip right after of the same size, the next slip is $1,300. This slip is $965. And if you want to. Are you looking to live on the boat, or are you looking to take it out?
I haven't decided yet. Probably maybe take it out. That's why I have to have a mechanic look at it, see it. Take it out. You never took it out or anything before, right? So, yeah. So that's why.
So I personally didn't because I don't operate the boats and I just use it as a condo. When I bought it, just wanted to live there. So I don't even operate the boats. But the thing is that the former owner had been constantly taking this boat out, and they took it to the ocean, they took it to Catalina and back, and this and that. So I never did it, just because I never used it as a boat. I used it as a condo. So here's the thing. The price is negotiable. I mean, the boat still has a few projects here and there, right? I mean, it's an old boat. It's always, worth of restoring. And then, the price is negotiable, but has to be reasonable, of course. And I'm very cool with if you want to hire any divers or mechanics to come over and take a look at it. So it's all on you. I'm very cool with that. The only thing I don't want to do is take the boat out. I'm selling it as is, as the ad says. Just because I don't want to risk it, because the systems are old. I haven't run the boat for a few years. So I would get it sea ready first before taking it out. But you're going to need a mechanic. The engines run, the transmission's working well, the propellers are there, they're spinning, everything is great. It's just, I don't know, the systems are old, right? So you need a mechanic just to make sure that nothing's going to happen if you take it out. So I'm selling it basically because I bought a big boat. I bought a 65-footer. I have a much bigger boat now, and I just don't need this one.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much. Let me call my mechanic and I'll come back.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much.